you've already done the hard part, which is getting really honest with yourself about what it is that you actually want. Now, you've got your fearful brain coming in and giving you all of these different possible reasons and outcomes that would try and guide you or persuade you to not do that, right? Why is that a bad idea? It's so important when fear shows up to sit present with fear and create solutions by changing the story that fear is telling you. So if the story is saying, I'm going to become unmotivated if I do this, or I'm going to fall off track because of this, ask yourself, is that true? Why do I believe that that's true? And is it possible that something else could be more true? My activity for you is brainstorm all the reasons why making this choice, the one that you want, could be the best possible thing you ever do for yourself. Because when you accept those two fearful possibilities among millions of others, you can redirect your focus on creating what it is that you most want.